Hi, Miss Young here. Just a quick video on how we can convert an SR latch to a JK latch in Logically. One of the problems in Logically is that although an SR latch works just fine, as we can see here, but when we set this up for a JK flip latch, then it doesn't quite work properly. And so there's a little bit of a hack that we can do to make this work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and just move them slightly, and I'm going to we're going to need two AND gates. So I'm going to put this AND gate here, and I'm going to put this AND gate here, and as we know, I'm just going to turn this one on, and we know if we took this one in here and we put it here, then this hooks up to this one hooks up to this one, and because these are NOR gates, this output comes to here, and this output goes to here. And what we're going to see is, unfortunately, it doesn't work. And obviously we should know that one of the reasons for that is because this essentially becomes in a erase state, invalid state. And so a quick hack to fix this is to set this one to be constant for a moment. And now you'll see that we have some functionality. If I then delete this, now that we have a valid state, and now you'll notice if I reset, then we have it set, reset, and if we put them both on, we see the toggle. And so that's a quick hack on how to make a JK latch work in Logically. I'm Miss Young. Speak later.